Welcome back. Well, Mother Nature certainly delivered on the severe weather threat we were advertising yesterday. Strong to severe storms ripping across the area. Numerous reports of damage across the region, but the skies are brightening and the future is even better. So let's take a look. We have a drone shot for you today, courtesy outside of the Eunice area. And well, look at those crawfish ponds. Hopefully the crawfish coming back in with time. So let's get over to the key wall and show you what's going on. Again, a beautiful day this afternoon. We still have some showers on the radar, but area-wide, a good soaking, and these may not even be crawfish ponds. It's just standing water over open fields. Area-wide, a fair bit of rainfall, and we'll talk more about that in a second. So let's take a look at the big picture across the region. We have an area of low pressure that is moving through the northern part of the state into the southeast, still producing strong to severe storms off to the east, still some wraparound moisture to the northwest, but this storm system is moving northeastward, so we don't think we're going to see much in the way of rain chances locally, exception being northern parishes through the early evening hours. And notice the pressure gradient tight out ahead of it. That was the gusty southerly winds. Here comes the breezy west to northwest winds that'll be following later on tonight through tomorrow. A breezy scenario for sure. As we look at the regional Doppler radars, we can still see that activity to the west. The strongest storms now south of the Mobile area, a little bit less organized, but look at this curl right here. That's a supercell storm that is approaching the Panama City Beach area. Meanwhile, locally, still some showers in southwestern Louisiana from just near the Lake Charles area. We'll see if this holds together as it moves eastward. Rain chances may stay in the 30% range, 40% range, especially along and north of I-10 first few hours of this evening, then quiet air conditions later on tonight. So let's look at the radar over the last 12 hours, and this was a series of supercell storms that produced tornadoes from southeast Texas into southwest Louisiana. EF2 tornadoes, 115 to 120 mile-per-hour winds, and then swaths of wind damage across Acadia into St. Landry Parish. Outside of those areas, most of us saw up to 50 to 60 mile-per-hour winds. Gusts to 48 reported at both Lafayette and Acadiana regional airports with these storms this morning, and they put down some serious rainfall as well. Here are all the storm reports, and you can see how they progressed over the last 24 hours, moving with the weather from west to east, and these are just preliminary reports of what we had across the region, and at least 51 reports. We had 4 injuries, that one serious injury. We'll pray for those folks as well. And then the tornado in Lake Charles, and I think we're going to be able to connect the dots between southwest Louisiana and say St. Landry Parish with respect to wind damage. Again, this is wind damage. We had half-dollar size hail in spots, so it was an active scenario across the area. And just because you don't see any of these reports plotted in your locale doesn't mean you had severe weather. These are the reports that the National Weather Service has processed so far. They're going to go out and do more damage surveys based on our coverage and your information that you forward to me through social media and email. Now, that one cell by the Washington area, that looks like a supercell storm. Could have been a tornado, could have been just downburst winds, but based on the damage that we see, 80, 90 mile-per-hour winds, certainly a possibility with some of that action. The same across the rest of Acadiana, especially along and north of I-10, mostly 50 to 60 mile-an-hour winds for the rest of us. And then we have these reports of tornadoes in around the Lake Charles area. That was that EF2 tornado, 115 mile-per-hour winds. So a very intense storm. You can see these graphics also on social media and KTC.com. And then heavy rainfall across the area. The good news is the forecast is looking better as we move forward. Lots of sunshine, windy day ahead tomorrow, and nice weather through the weekend. That's it for weather for now. Now back to Jasmine.